5 Deviant obscure carnivorous plants. Number 5. Sun pitchers. The sun pitchers, or helium furrow, aren't directly related to other well-known pitcher plants, but attract and kill insects in much the same way. Only a few species produce any kind of digestive enzyme, relying primarily on symbiotic bacteria to break down prey. Most species inhabit extremely rainy environments at high altitudes, and grow a small slot to drain excess water. Number 4. Proto carnivorous bromeliads. Many are familiar with bromeliads as common house plants, their leaves forming a central basin capable of holding water. Few know that certain species are considered at least partially carnivorous, actively attracting insects to drown in their collected fluid. Some appear to rely on the natural decomposition of prey corpses to provide them with sustenance, while others, like Brocchinia reducta, produce at least one enzyme associated with active digestion. It seems likely that with time, these plants could one day evolve more sophisticated techniques and become full-time insectivores. Number 3. Ant pitcher. Like most pitcher plants, Nepenthe Pitcher employs its fluid-filled, vase-like leaves to lure, drown and digest unwary insects. Unlike other pitchers, however, this wickedly fanged species lives in intimate symbiosis with an unusual species of ant, Campanata schmitzi. Colonizing the pitcher's thick, hollow stem, these uniquely amphibious ants can submerge themselves in the watery traps for extended periods of time, swarming much larger insects even as they struggle to escape their watery grave. Number 2. Nepenthe pitcher. If this strange-looking pitcher reminds you of a commode, it should. Though capable of trapping and digesting live prey, this species has adapted over time to an even more abundant and far more disgusting food source. Its sweet, sticky secretions are also attractive tree shrews, and seem to have fast-acting laxative properties. Some loei specimens studied in 2009 appeared to have been subsisting exclusively on tree shrew feces, and also made use of stray bird droppings caught in their gaping gullets. Number 1. Bathouse pitcher. Nepenthe pitcher is another pitcher plant that relies primarily on animal feces, but in a much stranger fashion than Nepenthe pitcher. The pitchers of this plant have adapted into perfect roosting locations for Hardwick's woolly bats, up to 3 of which may fit in a single pitcher. The plant is still the death pit for insects, which is part of what makes it such a cozy sleeping bag, helping to protect the bat from blood-sucking parasites. But as this symbiotic relationship evolved, bat guano became a much richer and more desirable food source for the plant.